Why do I do these things? The nice view at the top, I hope.
Suddenly, we leave the forest and enter the clouds. The landscape turns into a rocky scree. 30 minutes from the flat crest, we emerge from the clouds.
Yahoo!
No! The top is up there!
We cross the high plateau to the volcano's rim.
Volcano! Number 2.
We rest about a kilometer from the inner active ring.
Volcano behind you, erupting.
I then approach alone to take a closer look. I've seen enough. Gagging and dizzy, I decide to head back. I woke Christina as the volcano became more active, and we decided to start the long descent by re-entering the clouds.